Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Shweta, a naturopath, Reiki healer, acupressure specialist, acupuncture, sujat therapy, magnet therapy, and I have done a lot of courses by which we can heal naturally. In my YouTube channel, we are going to discuss and give information regarding treatment of various problems, maybe emotional, maybe physical, health wise, which can be done at home with the readily available resources, something from the kitchen. And also, if we tell you, guide you regarding any resources, they'll be very cheap. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. So today we are going to discuss about acidity. Acidity is a root cause of many problems, and the root of acidity starts with stress. So normally what happens is when our acidity increases, small crystals are formed near our nerve endings, which lead to many problems. So which leads to dysfunctioning of particular organs. It may be headache, or it may be a leg ache, it may be a stomach ache, or indigestion, vomiting, any kind of such problems. So acupressure helps you to release them. So let's start today with the first topic, that is acidity, which is of most importance. So the first remedy is you can have raw rice, 10 to 12 rice with water early in the morning, empty stomach, to avoid acidity. So the rice will not be processed, or they must be not fried or something. You have to just take raw rice, gulp it with like medicines how we have with water. The second remedy is you can to detoxify your body. You can have 1 teaspoon of jeera. Again, it is not roasted or nothing like that. You have to just take 1 small teaspoon of jeera, chew it very properly, and have a glass of water. My third remedy is you get ashgod. Okay, like how we have red pumpkin, same way we have a green pumpkin type which is called ashgod, which is also called in Hindi as kora. What you have to do is you have to take 100 to 150 grams of kora, peel it, grind it, okay, and with 1 glass of water, and have its juice every day. Now this pumpkin is very cold, so those people who have cold or who are prone to get cold, what you can do is you can add 1 teaspoon, 1 to half teaspoon of honey, or you can add a pinch of black pepper to it and have it. This ashgod is very nice when consumed empty stomach. It's very nice, very good, and it cures acidity immediately. Now these are all remedies which you are at home, but kids may not like to have it. So the remedy for kids is you can have vanilla scoop empty stomach. Now what happens is when we are traveling, sometimes these kind of things are not available if you don't carry along with them or something like that. So what you can do is before having any food, if you are like if you're empty stomach for a long number of hours and you are having headache or something, you can start your before your lunch or dinner, you can start up with your vanilla scoop. So instead of having dessert in the end, you can have at the start. So these are all remedies which are easily available and by which you can avoid having acidity. Now supposing what in prawn, if the acidity level has increased, you can do Vaman. Vaman is empty stomach in the morning. Have 1 to 1.5 liter of warm water mixed with 1 teaspoon of salt. Keep on having that water glass by glass, and what you can do is after having consuming water, now it depends, some people have less capacity of 3 glass. Once you start having it, a time will come when you will feel like vomiting, then you can just go in the washroom, vomit it. This you have to carry on for 15 days continuously. After doing it for 15 days continuously, you must take a break for say number of 15 days again, and then every 15 days you have to repeat 3 days. This is very good. This will remove all the toxic substances completely, and you will get complete relief in case you have too much of acidity. And I would suggest if everyone starts doing it, it will really help you. Whenever you fall sick or you're having any problem, we consume lots of medicines, and that leads to lots of acidity problem. So if you do this Vaman every day, this will surely help you. Thank you for watching my video. Kindly like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.